Good day, everyone. It's me, Maria Fontana, your favorite intuitive business consultant and growth strategist. And today I want to talk to you about something that really hits home with all my high-level, successful business owners and entrepreneurs. So this is directed towards you guys. You are ready to scale. You are ready to start bringing your business to the next level, and you're kind of stuck. So I'm going to share with you the 4 key components that I have personally found. Now I've owned 7 different types of businesses. I have scaled multiple businesses from 6 to 7 figures. I have turned them around, flipped them, sold them, grown teams. So I want to share a little bit about the mindset and really how I was able to implement these strategies and how I help my clients easily transition into scaling their businesses, which to me, scaling means getting more free time, being able to be the CEO and not the control freak in your business. So if this resonates with you, I want you to hear me out. So these are 4 simple shifts that I was able to, in time, as I was growing and as I was expanding, these are 4 simple shifts that I implemented into scaling my businesses. Number 1 is have focus. Clear focus, laser focus. You got to be focused on one thing, guys. One high impact transformational product. One thing, one offer that your clients desperately need. They desperately need your guidance and this transformation to get shit done in their lives. So that's really important. If you're spending time customizing, this is where I see a lot of my entrepreneurs losing so much valuable time. And guys, time is money. You're not getting that back. So by customizing every single offer, think of the time that takes. You need one qualified offer that's going to give massive transformation that your clients desperately need. One service with outstanding results, consistent outstanding results that are repeatable. So you can train your team to duplicate what you do. Here's the key factor. It must be duplicatable, because how can you train a team and how can you grow if something's not duplicatable, right? So keep that in mind. So focus. So number 2, I'm all about leveraging your lead generation. So this is something, I have a professional team now that does all my lead gen. So I have a social media marketing expert. I have a Facebook ad expert, someone that I outsource this work to because honestly, it's out of my realm. And again, it took too much of my time to do it myself. So when you're at the scaling level, I want you to forget about launches, forget about creating podcasts and all this content continuously. The level you're at, you're past that 6-figure mark. So you're past creating all that stuff. You should have a clean-cut lead generation system in order. And once again, you should have an expert doing that for you. That way you have a consistent flow of clients coming in. I can help you and refer out people to you. If you need help with some lead gen, I've got great referrals also that I am happy to share with you. Number 3, your expansion shift. So this is where a lot of my entrepreneurs that are doing really well are stuck on the 6-figure hamster wheel. Guys, if you got to shift, if you want to shift, if you're ready to shift out of that 6-figure mark, you're going to have to let go of some of that control. I know that was a struggle for me too. Can they do it as good as me? Oh, if I don't do it myself, it's not done right. Are they going to follow through? Are they going to screw up? I can't count on people. I had to shift my mindset on this. It has to be shifted. You have to be able to outsource, grow a team, and it's going to be really important. I could share with you, I'll share this with my high-level clients. I teach you how to interview and find the right person for your team that's going to be an addition, a positive addition and a growth addition, as opposed to hiring the wrong people. So that's a video training for another day. So I just want to share to you, small and mighty teams, start out with a virtual team. In this day and age we're in, there is no reason why you can't be hiring a virtual staff of freelancers, be it privately or off of Upwork, off of Fiverr. There's so many freelancers out there that are really amazing and wonderful. Once again, if you need referrals, I'm happy to refer anyone that I've used that I found does amazing work. I'm all about referrals. So this is the easy way to start a small and mighty team and start transitioning to having you grow with ease, with grace, without lots of drama, one step at a time. Guys, remember, if you are taking your business from 6 figures to 7 figures, these are some of the major shifts that you're going to have to do. But if you do them with ease and grace and simple, small, mighty steps are going to win the game. And I can tell you, I've been there. I know it could be emotionally challenging, but anytime we're growing, growth is not comfortable. So if you're not uncomfortable, you're not growing. Stop being comfortable. It's time to step out of your comfort zone and cut the shit. Start stepping into feeling uncomfortable, because then you know things are growing. Let's cultivate that. Number 4, scaling shift. So this is what a lot of people forget. So what I found in one of my businesses when I decided to scale it up and then sell it, because ultimately that's what a lot of people want to do. I mean, you want to build your business up to where you can sell it for what it's worth. That way you have the freedom to reinvest your money maybe in something else, or, you know, just whatever reason you are scaling for. Everyone's reasons are different. So one of my clients, she had a wellness center and she was struggling to scale because she had no order. So what we helped her do is I had her document. We had to document her systems of how her business ran. If your business systems aren't documented, like there's no roadmap or there's no game plan, it's going to be very hard to put a value on your business to sell it later. So these are 4 major shifts that I have found will help you really transition to 7 figures smoothly. So I hope these 4 things really impacted you and helped you. If you'd like more information, I'd be more than glad to hop on a complimentary clarity call with you. Just comment the link below. Click on the link below, send me a private message. I am here for you. I am here for you. I've been where you are, and I know you want to start moving the needle in your business. I know you are ready for bigger and better things. And the biggest factor, guys, I know you're ready to be the CEO and stop working so hard. Let's level up and get things going. I'm going to be taking a few phone calls. Spaces are limited, so please get on a call with me and let's see if I can help you. Sending you massive love and light. Have an awesome, productive day.